Unlock the secrets to navigating the Uber driver app specifically for the vibrant roads of Qatar and maximize your success as a rideshare professional. First, after downloading the Uber driver app, log in using your registered credentials. Ensure your profile is complete with all necessary documents for Qatar's regulations. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard to start receiving ride requests. Simply tap the Go Online button. This makes you visible to riders nearby. When a ride request comes in, a notification will appear displaying the rider's pickup location, destination, and the estimated fare. You have a few seconds to review it. To accept the ride, simply tap Accept. The app will then automatically switch to navigation mode, guiding you efficiently to the rider's pickup point. Upon reaching the pickup location and confirming the rider, swipe or tap Start Trip to begin the journey. The app will continue to provide turn-by-turn directions to the destination. Once you've safely reached the destination, swipe or tap and trip. The fare will be automatically calculated and added to your earnings, clearly displayed on your screen. The app meticulously tracks your earnings, and you can view your daily or weekly summaries. Uber offers various payment methods in Qatar for you to receive your hard-earned money. Remember to always adhere to Qatar's local regulations, including having a valid Qatari driving license, vehicle registration or istimara, and any required commercial permits. Staying updated on Uber's specific local guidelines is crucial for smooth operation. By mastering these steps, you'll be well on your way to a successful and profitable journey as an Uber driver in Qatar. Drive safe and earn big.